Speedbird 851, turn right heading 180. Order 14 Papa, turn right 245, report localizer established 27.
Hey everyone, welcome to DJ's Aviation. In recent days, the very first ANA Airbus A380 entered final assembly. On March the 19th, 2018, pictures revealed the first parts of the A380 at Toulouse, ready for assembly. Now, of course, pictures have shown the aircraft being put together. Recently, ANA unveiled their cabin layout on their new A380s, and these will feature 520 seats. The aircraft will be placed on a Tokyo to Honolulu service and will feature a special livery with a Hawaiian sea turtle on it. On the same day as the cabin reveal, ANA noted that all three Airbus A380s would feature the special livery. However, they'll be in different colours to represent the three key parts of the Hawaiian lifestyle. The first A380 has also been given a delivery date, which will be at this stage in March of 2019. So now we are less than a year away from the big day, providing all goes according to plan. When it comes to the delivery of aircraft, this isn't always an occurrence, but airlines can postpone their delivery if the cabin product hasn't been installed to a satisfactory standard, or possibly the paint hasn't been applied correctly either. The delivery of the first A380 will mean ANA will receive two new aircraft types in the same month, within recent days ANA noting that they would take delivery of their first Boeing 787-10 in March of 2019 as well. The airline is adding 25 new aircraft to its fleet over the next 11 months, with the A380 and 787-10 included in this. These new additions mean the airline will be retiring its classic aircraft like the 777-200s, the 767-300s, and the 737-500s. Thank you very much for watching this video of mine, and I do hope to see all of you in my next one.